Euler digraph. A directed walk covering all edges of the digraph exactly once is called a directed Euler line. A directed walk covering all edges of the digraph exactly once, all edges exactly once, is called a directed Euler line. A digraph containing a directed Euler line is called an Euler digraph. See the graph here. V1, V2, V3, V4 are the vertices, and E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6 are the edges. In this graph, we start a directed walk from the vertex V4. So V4 to V2, V2 to V1, again V1 and V3, V3 to V2 and V2 to V4. But we mention the walk as a sequence of edges and vertices. So we start with the vertex V4, that is V4 E1 V2 and V2 E2 V1 and V1 E3 V1, V1 E4 V3, V3 E5 V2, V2 E6 and V4. This is a complete walk. So this is called a Euler digraph. Now just observe the white line on the graph which shows a directed walk that starts with V4, V4 E1 V2, V2 E2 V1, V1 E3 V1, V1 E4 V3, V3 E5 V2 and V2 E6 V4. So this is a complete directed walk. Okay, so now covering all the edges exactly once is a directed Euler line. So here all edges are covered exactly once, so it is a Euler line. So since digraph contains directed Euler line, the graph is a Euler graph. So the given graph is a Euler graph because it contains Euler line. So next topic is Hamilton graph and circuit. So a Hamilton path in a graph G is a path whose vertex list contains each vertex of the graph exactly once. A Hamilton path in a graph G is a path whose vertex list contains each vertex of the graph exactly once. So it must contain all the vertex at least exactly once. Okay, that is a Hamilton path. Hamilton circuit in a graph G is a Hamilton path in which initial vertex and terminal vertex are same. It means a Hamilton circuit is a circuit which starts and ends at the same vertex. Here edges may be repeated. Some edges may be repeated or some edges may not be included. So this is a Hamilton circuit. Let's see the example. Here it's a graph that's having 8 vertices and 12 edges. Now we'll see the Hamilton path. So observe the graph. So first the graph start with the vertex V1. The path start with the vertex V1, V1 E1 V2, and next V2 E2 V3 and V3 to V8, that is through E7, V3 E7 V8, then V8 E11 V7 and V7 E3 V4 and V4 E10 V5, V5 E9 V6. So this is a Hamilton path. It's just a path. So all vertices are included, all vertices are included, but some edges are not included. Okay, so this is a Hamilton path. Now let's see Hamilton circuit. So observe the diagram, observe the graph. So here the circuit start at the vertex V1. So V1 E1 V2, V2 E5 V5 and V5 E9 V6, V6 E6 V3, V3 E7 V8, V8 E11 E7, V7 E3 V4, V4 E4 V1. So the Hamilton circuit starts at the vertex V1 and ends at the vertex V1. So all vertices are included, but some edges are not included. This is the Hamilton circuit.